guys, so I promised to do a part 2. Yes, I'm doing part 2 right now. So let's go. She's I'm doing the lyrics like, isn't she lovely? You know? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't. I forgot how to. I forgot how to spell isn't. Ma, spelling ng isn't ano, di ba? I-S-N-T.
Quiet.
Ha? I-S-N, tapos may ano sa taas, tapos T. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious?
Ma, birthday's my Tom birthday. Today's my birthday, Tom. Gigi ma. I birthday my Tom.
Look.
This is for Tom. This is for
Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? It's almost. Okay. I also drew a ribbon because I'm gonna do something with it.
yeah.
Time to cut. I mean, time to color. I mean. Isn't she
I'm going coloring
lovely?
too.
Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she wonderful? I don't want to do any shading. Just basic, no shades. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she oh my gosh, it's almost ending. The video's almost ending. Okay, bye-bye.